Okay, Agent Ladybug, we are up to mission planning now. So for this one, we're going to talk about the next stage of the computer game to do. Can you just have a read of under computer game challenge, please?
Okay. Try the first two virtual reality missions in level 3 of the game, the crime at the cathedral and the detective flight challenge. 2 times each, choosing a different mission path each time. Discover what the fire engine gadget is in the detective flight challenge.
Excellent. Okay, so what I thought we would do is actually have a look at level 3 so that you feel confident with doing it later on when your session's finished, when you've got time to do your home mission.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you and also give you control. Optimize for video, share sound and share. And can you see this screen here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm also going to give you remote control. So what we're going to do, I want you to click on level 3 in the lift.
Oh, no, okay.
And you can start with whichever one of those you want.
Okay.
And now for our final competitor in the detective division. Junior Detective, your mission is to engage in an air combat attack. Shoot down the enemy aircrafts before they strike you. Good luck.
Click on the thought that best describes what your character might be thinking right now and move it onto his head. This is going to be awesome fun. I'm not really sure how to fly this thing. What if I crash? I am going to win this competition for sure. I can't believe they made me go last. I wanted to go first.
I'm not really sure how to fly this thing. What if I crash?
Yeah, it looks pretty likely. Let's see what happens when you press it.
Do I have to like drag it?
Yeah.
What should your character do now? Just take off and start the race. Or take some slow breaths and think helpful thoughts.
Take some slow breaths and think helpful thoughts.
Probably a good idea if he's feeling a bit nervous.
Okay, I just need to breathe slowly and try my best. This is the first time I've been in a flying competition, so it's okay if I make mistakes. If I imagine myself doing well, then I should feel more confident.
Junior Detective, use the arrow keys to steer your aircraft and press the spacebar to fire. Good luck!
Am I supposed to hit them?
Yeah, so you can use your arrow keys to go up and down and hit your spacebar to shoot the enemy.